Hey, it's Sukrit from STEM Coder, and today we're going to take a look at the reciprocal rule. Over here I've got the cosecant of x, which is equal to 1 divided by the sine of x. We don't know the derivative of the cosecant, but we do know that the derivative of sine of x is equal to the cosine of x. So is there any easy way to take the derivative of the reciprocal of a function? Let's find out. Up here I've got the standard limit definition of the derivative. And over here I'm going to set f of x is equal to 1 divided by g of x, where f of x is the reciprocal of g of x, vice versa. I have replaced f of x with 1 over g of x. And for the first step in our procedure, I'm going to multiply both the numerator and the denominator by g of x times g of x plus h. So let's go ahead and do that arithmetic. I end up getting g of x minus g of x plus h divided by h times g of x times g of x plus h. So this is what I've gotten so far. Now I'm going to split this into two parts using a limit rule. I am going to divide g of x minus g of x plus h over h by g of x times g of x plus h. So this over here, I'm going to put in a separate limit expression. So let's write that out. So this is g of x minus g of x plus h over h divided by limit h goes to 0 of g of x times g of x plus h. Now what does this simplify to? Well, up here this looks an awful lot like the limit definition of the derivative, right? But notice this is f of x plus h minus f of x. This is g of x minus g of x plus h. So this is actually equal to the negative derivative. So over here we've got negative g prime of x. So that means it's a negative derivative because see the x and the x plus h, it's switched. And down here, well, g of x plus h just becomes g prime when h approaches 0. And so this becomes g of x times g of x, and that's g of x squared. And this over here is the reciprocal rule. So the derivative of the reciprocal of a function g of x is equal to negative g prime of x divided by g of x squared. Let's apply it to cosecant. So over here we need to do the negative derivative of sine x. So that's negative cosine of x divided by sine squared of x. And this over here is going to be the derivative of the cosecant of x. Hope you found that helpful.